Well, this might be close between the two Hungarians, because at the European Short Course Championships last year in Israel, Katinka Hosszu finished in second spot and Kapas in third spot. They both lost it to Jazz Carlin in those championships, and Kapas, if anyone, might be the one to just break this Katinka dominion in this event. Dong Jie of China takes it out very quickly, ahead after the first 50 meters. And in lane number 2, Guo Junjun. So the two Chinese ladies at the moment in first and second spots, with Heckman of the USA in third position.
Not to forget, in lane 8, we have the very young Liu Jiayi. Also,
no one comes from behind and wins like Katinka Hosszu. So she's shown us a different side of her tonight already. This will be the third race in a row where she's got to come back to win. She did it in those races in the 100 meters backstroke, as well as the 200 meters butterfly. Can she do it once again in the 400 meters freestyle? 50 meters left to go. Kappa still turns in first place. Dong Jie, who was leading after 100 meters, turns in second. And Hosszu slowly coming back into this now. They're both all in the same line. Kappas, Hosszu and Dong Jie. Nothing separating between these three swimmers. It is going to be a fantastic finish. Hosszu has turned in second spot and is probably just slightly ahead of Kappas at the moment. As I said, nobody knows how to race more like Katinka Hosszu. She knows how to win. She knows what it takes to win. And she wins again. She is an absolutely amazing species. Katinka Hosszu does it yet again against Kappas, and she's had to dip below 4:02 because of the competition that Kappas has given her.
Amazing swims by both Hungarians. They used the last 150 meters to catch up. I mean, Kappas actually started picking up speed halfway through the halfway mark, but Hosszu actually just really caught up with the two of them.